Are you ready to discover a home that blends timeless charm with endless potential? Welcome to Lorong Pisang Raja, a freehold 2-story in the terrace located in the sought-after Hoover Park, District 21. I'm Eugene, and this charming property I'm going to show you offers 1847 square feet of land, ideal for transforming into a stunning 3-story homes with approximate build-up of 3,002 square feet. Whether you are looking to renovate or rebuild, this is an opportunity not to be missed. Location is everything, and this freehold inter-terrace house situated at this location has it all. Plus, how often can you find a landed that is near to the MRT and within the government growth transformation? For food and shopping, head down to Beauty World Center, Bukit Timah Plaza, as well as a selection of incredible food along Chongqingnam Road, all within close proximity. There are also a range of good schools nearby like Presbyterian Primary School, Methodist Girls' School, and Bukit Timah Primary School. This area is well placed within the serenity of green enclaves like Raffles Range Nature Reserve and Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, while still retaining high accessibility to the core region. In the near future, residents can enjoy trail enhancement of the rail corridors as well as improved connectivity with the integrated transport hub at Jalan Anak Bukit. Using our proprietary investment suites, for the last 10 years, you can see that resale landed in RCR have outperformed OCR and even CCR with an impressive growth rate of 68%, which makes it one of the best performing regions for people to buy into. There have been several new condo developments within 1 kilometer over the last couple of years, like Verdale, Mayfair Garden, Mayfair Modern, View at Kismi, Daintree, Forest at Bukit Timah, The Link at Beauty World, and the most recent, the Reserve Residences. All these are definitely going to be part of your future pool of buyers. Could this be your dream home where your next chapter of life begins? Whether you are drawn to its location or the potential it holds, this is a property not to be missed. Reach out to me today for an exclusive viewing today, and let's explore how this home can be the perfect fit for you.